இப்போ பாருங்கள், உங்களுக்கு நான் காமிக்கிறேன் how I take couples and how I help them. Okay, so this is my mobile in the WhatsApp group. இந்த வாட்ஸ்அப் குரூப்பில் போய் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா there is something like a client list. இது எல்லாமே என்னுடைய clients are the people who have come for my consultancy. Okay, they met me for counseling. They have spent 1 or 2 consultancies. Okay, this is what they're all my client list. Then the people from there, they are qualified. Even for this also I ask them before, without doing any homework, I don't take up any client. Okay. Before doing homework, I don't take up any client. Means in the sense they have to do homework. They have to email me what they are expecting. When both the husband and wife, then only then they will come into this list. Otherwise, they will not become CL. They will only be having, for example, Jayant is there. Jayant has sent me the homework. Jayant is this guy. Oh no, he has sent me the homework. And therefore he is called as a client. If he is not doing homework, then it will be called as a special giant. Okay, three pure name. If it is preceded by CL, it is client, and if it is, then if you see it is YM. YM is mentee. Mentee is mentor. MEN. Yeah, this is mentor. See, this is the mentee list. This is all MO mentee list. What is the mentor? Mentor is it is like a joint responsibility. A mother taking the child, getting up in the morning, preparing her the dress from the bed, take it to the toilet, then the toilet work, then preparing the breakfast and putting it into the bus. Similarly, see, that is how it happens. So every client means, every mentor means they have done homework. I do homework and send them on video, and they do homework and send here. Okay, so that is how this is the homework they have done. So without any homework, there is no improvement. I don't believe in it. Please don't come to me. Okay. Then every time there is a question, there is an answer. You can see the green is my answer, the white is her question, which the green is my answer. Then question, then answer, then question, then any recording. So this goes on until he or she gets the results. That is called mentoring. Training is simply information. Coaching is doing. Mentoring is training plus doing and seeing that the result get, and they also become like me. That means I want them to become another mentor like me. Next year I want to see them as a mentor. They will be addressing my next group of mentees. Clear? So friends, you can go to my website ptsunderam.com. If you are interested in joining my mentoring team, you are welcome. You can join as a mentor. You can join as a trainer. Okay. If you join as a practitioner, you can come as a student, or if you can come for a live case, you are welcome for that. You are welcome for my webinar also, free webinar also. Okay, you are come for my free webinar also. Okay, so my suggestion is my mission is to help 1 million mothers, wipe off the tear of 1 million mothers. I want you to join my mission. For that, you have to do 2 things. Number one is please subscribe to this video so that you can get my latest update. Number 1. Number 2 is you give a comment. I wanted to know, is there any other method which you suggest by which we can improve? I want a practical session. I don't want a theoretical session, because all the information I give is from the world's best mind who have already applied it. It's not an academic mind. Okay, not from college. College professor can talk, but he cannot walk his talk. A professor of political science can talk about thousands of theories. He can give tons and tons of answers to Modi. But your local MLA can do better than your professor of your political science. He knows more practical politics, a local MLA. Okay, so I am like a local MLA. I want practical sessions. So please join my group. You can go to my 350 YouTube videos. You can also go to my podcast. You're welcome for my free webinar. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you. So this is the homework we did, and this is the homework we share with the. This is a homework for both of us, for me and for you. Okay, waiting for your. What is it? Thank you. Waiting for your. See you in the live webinar. Thank you.